What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at ASM chart. Here we are going to draw the ASM chart for this state diagram. In ASM chart there are three things. The first one, the box thing, is called state box, and the second one called decision box, and the third one, we have a curve right here. This one is called conditional box. This one is also called as mealy box, and this one is used only if the output is high. Only used if the output is high. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the ASM chart for this given state diagram. First of all, here we have just one input. Sometime you will see 0 0, it means it's 0 0 0 1, something like that. It means it has two input. But if you see something just 0 0, it means it has just one input. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw that. First, here the input is going to be x. Okay, if it's two input we call xy, but here just one input, so input is going to be just x. And then based on whatever we have to draw this ASM chart. Now after this state box we will have the decision box. Decision box is going to be with this one. X is going to be here. We will have two decisions, whether it's 1 or 0. 1 is this side, 0. 1 or 0. Now let's see how to read this one. Here this part is the input. The first one is the input. If the input is 0, then output is also 0. So output also 0. It means here from the arrow you can see S0. If it's 0, it's going back to S0. So here we have this one. This is S0. Okay, here if the input is 0, then it's S0 again. That's what this one represents here. Now if the input is 1, it goes to S1. So let's draw the S1 here. S1. If the input is 1, it goes to S1. But here you can see this conditional box. It's only used if the output is above. Here you can see output is also 1. When the input is 1, output is 1. It means we have to use this curly box. Okay, not curly, it's actually this kind of box, this little bit curve. Okay, this one called mealy box. This box, inside of this one we will have Z. Okay, and we know that if the input is 1, output is also 1, and it goes to S1. Now the next thing is, here we have the decision box. Here this is 0 1. Okay, here this is S1. For this one, if the input is 1, output is 0. If the input is 1, then output is 0 and it goes to S2. This is S1. Let's draw the S2. This is S2 right here. And if the input is 1, output is 0. If the input is 1 and output is 0, and it goes to S2. Okay, here we go. Then the next thing is, if the input is 0, output is 1. Here input is 1, output is 0. That's why we directly plug this one. If the output is also 1, we have to use this box, because it's only used if the output is above. It means if it's above 0, we have to use, but since the output is 0, that's why we directly connect to this S2. Now let's go to, and also we have S1. We have one more thing. If the input is 0, output is 1 and goes to S1. Output is 1 mean If the output is above, we have to draw this curve box, and that one always contains Z, and this one goes to S1 again. Now let's go to S2. If the input is 0, let's draw the decision box right here. Okay, decision box X, this is 0, this one is 1. In this decision box, if the input is 0, output is also 0, and it goes to S2. And if the input is 1, output is also 1, and it goes to S0. Input is 1, output is also 1, and it goes to S0 right here. And that's it. And our output is 1. Since output is 1 above, we have to have this box, curve box, that is Z. Okay, that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn ASM chart, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.